Hello everyone and welcome back to the Kings of Asphalt YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned on all the new videos. But for now, yes, the title of the video, I got a MAGNAFLOW muffler for the BMW E46. I also got an intake which I wanted to put on first, but the intake did not come yet. So of course, me being eager, I took the muffler down to Prestige Muffler in Bergenfield. They got the thing welded on there for me within like an hour, hour and a half. The owner, Rita, and the welders, Jimmy and Eric, all three of them, very nice guys. Rita actually ended up showing me his collection of exhaust. It was like a museum of exhaust. It was very cool to see that. So of course I got a couple clips of the car with the stock exhaust sound. This is my daily car, so I was not aiming for a very loud, aggressive sound. I wanted a mild tone, just more than stock, because stock sounds like a vacuum cleaner. So let's compare the before and the after. So that wraps up this video. Unfortunately, I don't know how much of that you're gonna be able to hear through the phone, but trust me when I tell you there is a major, major difference, especially in the lower RPMs, even though that's not really what I was aiming for. But anyway, thank you guys for the support and I'll see you in the next one.